Step in my dojo, you
Step in my dojo, you
step in my.
You usually end up putting the details first. You end up ignoring the big picture, getting stuck in a loop, and eventually you say, this doesn't sound like my hero. You give up and you start over. This happens all the time. If it's happening to you, don't worry about it. You're not bad if this is happening to you. This is a normal part of making music. Every producer has to go through this stage.
Understanding how these three forces, mixing, composition, and sound design, come together is absolutely vital to making your music sound loud and clear and well mixed. But if you don't know why, it's a mind-boggling sea of details. So if you want to know why to do what when you're composing the mix, you should check out my course, Composing the Mix. All right, I got another hot tip for you. To make your music more interesting, use DJ effects on your groups and on the master. When you automate slow, long, single knob parameters like filter cutoff or beat repeat on and off with the grid, record stop, etc., put those on your groups and on the master. Play them in with your hands and your music will come alive. It will take the repetitious drum sounds and make them slowly evolving, moving around as the song progresses. You know, this is especially important for your kick drum. Your kick drum should tell the story of your song, okay? And if you automate the transient on the beginning, if you automate the tail on the end, if you automate which drum sound it is, you know, maybe change samples or change drum kits throughout the song, automate low pass, automate high pass. It's amazing to hear that a simple kick can become so much more when it's moving just a little. And all you got to do is set up some DJ effects racks and just take long passes of automation and your track will come alive. And the best part is, usually with these effects, you're adding by taking away. You're taking away the highs, you're taking away the lows, you're taking away the tail, you're taking away the transient, right? So you're actually subtracting to create these changes. So there's always going to be room for it in the mix. It's always, your track can always handle this, right? So get DJ style effects and use DJ style effects on your groups and on your master. Just play in these long, slow automations. Anything with knobs will do it. You can even do it with the mouse. Just hit record, play them in, and watch your track come alive. All right, lots of love. Enjoy that movement. If you are digging these tips, please support what I'm doing here. It's all for free. So I just need your support. I need you to like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends, all that stuff. Click the little bell if you're on YouTube. All that stuff counts. Every bit of engagement counts. So please support what I'm doing with your engagement and by telling your friends, and I will keep the tips coming. Lots of love. Have fun producing. Bring that movement to your sounds. DJ effects on your groups and the master. All right, peace out.